No one noticed the day his life changed, except Allah. It all began with loss. Not some big, dramatic event, just a quiet unraveling. A job that ended without warning. Promises from people who slowly stopped returning his calls. He woke up one morning with the heavy realization that the future he had so carefully built no longer existed. At first, he fought against the pain. This can't be good, he told himself. This has to be some kind of punishment. He replayed his mistakes over and over, searching for sins that might have caused it. Comparing his life to others who seemed untouched by hardship. Every comparison just made the wound deeper. Every unanswered prayer felt heavier than the last. Yet, even in that darkness, Allah was working. What he couldn't see was what Allah had already saved him from. He could unsee the path that looked successful, but would have pulled him far away from his faith. A version of himself that might have forgotten prayer once life became easy again. His time in prostration grew longer. His prayers became less formal, more desperate, more real. He learned to trust completely when all control was taken away from him. Days turned into months. The hardship didn't just vanish, but it transformed him. He became gentler, more aware, less attached to worldly outcomes, and more attached to Allah. The same situation that once felt like a heavy burden became his greatest teacher. And then, only when he was no longer begging for an escape, doors began to open. Not the ones he expected, better ones, opportunities that aligned with his values. Relationships built on sincerity. Provision that came with blessings, not anxiety. Most importantly, a heart that trusted Allah even when the path ahead was completely unclear. That's when he finally understood. Mercy doesn't always arrive wrapped in ease. Sometimes it arrives disguised as delay, as loss, as pain. But Allah, in His infinite wisdom, never withholds something without replacing it with better, and never tests someone without caring deeply for them. If you are walking through a hardship right now, remember this: what feels heavy today may be protecting your hereafter. What feels like a loss may be Allah redirecting you to something greater. What feels unbearable may be shaping you for a destiny bigger than you ever imagined. Allah does not waste pain. Allah does not abandon the patient. Allah does not test without love. One day, you will look back and see the hidden mercy, the Raḥmah, as clear as day. Until then, just hold on. because the same Allah who allowed the hardship is the one who is carrying you through it. Thanks for watching.